Welcome to our guide on using Cash App with DoorDash. Let's explore the benefits of both services and how they can work together seamlessly. Step 1. First, download Cash App from your device's App Store. Open it and complete the setup process by following the on-screen instructions. Step 2. Now, link your Cash App to your DoorDash account. Open DoorDash, go to your account settings, and select the payment option to add Cash App. Step 3. Make sure you add funds to your Cash App account for your DoorDash orders. You can do this easily through the app. Step 4. Now, let's place your first order. Choose your favorite restaurant on DoorDash, fill your cart, and select Cash App at checkout. Step 5. Always check your payment options on DoorDash to manage them effectively. This helps you ensure smooth transactions. Step 6. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection and ensure your Cash App and DoorDash apps are updated. Common problems can often be fixed quickly. Step 7. Keep your transactions safe. Always use secure networks and enable security features within Cash App to protect your information. In conclusion, using Cash App with DoorDash is easy and convenient. Give it a try for your next food delivery.